Kuna news mingi? Oh yeah, nimeiona breakout and retest and also ahead hizo by za hizi ziko sahi ziko valid all the way hadi hapo hivyo. Okay. And then bado itakuwa na form. Yeah. Hiyo ni setup wa. Sawa. Hi, good morning. Abdul Saleh, shout out to Simon, shout out to Masharia, Dema Bikers. Hi everyone. Let's hit more than 20 people so as we can start the live stream. Also share the live. Let me share this live. Let me share this live stream. Okay. It's a very fine morning, very interesting morning. We are live. Type good morning. If you can hear me, just type good morning. If you can hear me, just type good morning. I'll type yes if my voice is very clear. So we are starting the live stream in a few. So before I start, let me see your comments. Read through the comments and see anybody who has any queries. Yes. Good morning, guys. Type good morning. I can't see anybody saying good morning. Okay, good morning. It's okay. So we can start the live stream now. We are more than 18. Let's get to 20 people and then we start the live stream. Mashari, good morning. Kariz, Karatu, morning. Script, morning to you, bro. Faustin Macau, morning, Dr. Forrest Posana. Now we are more than enough. We are more than 21 people. So I wanted us to join to get more than 21 so I can start. So before we start this live stream, I want to give a shout out to one of my students. Simon is here. Like someone is doing a very amazing job. I last time I spoke about his conversation last week he flipped. So I'll be giving a shout out for people who are doing good, also to encourage him. So let me give this a very short story. So Simon joined my mentorship. Actually, I'm not the one who was giving mentorship on him on my academy. So I met him on a previous workplace where I was. So Simon, I taught him about trading, like let's say 6 months ago. I am not sure if 6 months or 5 months ago. So Simon has been one of the consistent students I have. And last week, he was in a position even to flip from $89 to over 1,300. Today in the morning, he flipped more than like 7 USD. The credit, the ones I do normally talk about redeemable points, which is a zero investment, which is a zero balance, and he has flipped $7 to over 350 early this morning. That's so encouraging. This should give you a motive for you to keep on going. Now, that's so encouraging and should show you that, trading is not about capital. Trading is all about the skills. So if a person is in position of flipping $7 to 350 in a one single day, early morning, by now, even before afternoon or noon, it's still morning. And if someone can flip $89 to $1,300 in a week, it's a very encouraging moment for you to keep on moving and to keep on going. But to keep on going, make sure that you invest in your skills. Skills are the one that are going to make you money. It's not about the capital. So that one's very encouraging. After we had this conversation in the office, and it's very, very encouraging to see my students winning. And I'm so much motivated to keep on doing this. That's what will keep me motivated. Keep me posted and keep me updated on my Telegram. Keep on messaging me. Those inquiries, send me those inquiries. Ask me why you don't get it. Ask me on Telegram. So because I want to see people winning and I want to see people making money. Because I'm so happy to know that my student this early morning has already made up more than 40,000 Kenyan shilling, even without going to any office. They have already made up. It's January. It's December. And it's like a whole salary of a whole CEO made up on a single day. So keep pushing. So before we continue, any inquiry, any question, Monteva, good morning. Mary Wangui, good morning. And all this is very possible. Let nobody tell you that you cannot make money with the small capital. And they'll be like, okay, how much do you think you can risk on a single trade? It depends with the capital that you have, and it depends because if you have a small account, there's nothing like risk management, and I talk about that. If you have a $10 account, those small account like 20, 30, $40, there's nothing like risk management there because how much are you going to risk and for how long? Until the only thing and the only possible way to get yourself from the $20 and $30 is sharpen your skills, move and get one very good setup that is going to move you from $30 to all the very good amount of money, so you can apply risk management. So Ted, good morning. And also, if you have any inquiry, I'll start the live stream because today I'm very late. It's almost 11. I was supposed to start this live stream 10 a.m. That's when I do know my God. So, and those who are watching me, because my TikTok was pulled down, this is announcements. So my TikTok was pulled down. So make sure that you follow me on YouTube, you subscribe. Also turn that notification bell on the YouTube. So that anytime I'm on YouTube, you can notify that I'm live, because you'll no longer be notified that I'm live because my TikTok is no longer there. And then maybe on Telegram, I may get held up because sometimes Telegram doesn't work in my country. So it can get late for me to get the update that I'm live on YouTube. So the only way is just subscribe and hit that notification bell. The notification bell is the one that hit notification there. You'll be notified that I'm on live on YouTube anytime. So how can someone join your signals? Signals is what we are doing here, Aleki Karaoke. So signals is the same thing I do normally here. So make sure that you follow my analysis. But if you want to join my signal group, then you can join also, because I do share the same thing. The only thing I do is I do filter. What we do here on YouTube, I do filter, and then maybe on signals, that's when I do update them. Now this is the right time to take, this is the right time to take, because when I do the analysis on YouTube, I don't stay the whole day to update. Now this is when to take the trades. I do notify them on my signal group. Yes. Why would you recommend to start? Start by leading. So that's the inquiry. So if there's any questions, I'll keep on reading them and answering them. So let's start the live stream. So any pair anybody is in, any inquiry about any currency pair that want me to check, just type on the comment section and then we can start. So I'll share my screen. It's December. And before you continue, also let me start this fundamentally. Before we start, we continue. Know that Trump is back, and Trump is back. Trump is the one of the guys who really moves these markets in terms of fundamentals. So another thing is, if you are a trader, make sure that you follow Donald Trump maybe on Twitter, mostly on Twitter and his social media pages. Make sure you hit that notification bell, so as anytime he tweets, you can get notified. So let's go to a certain comment like he made over the weekend and analyze what he was made. So one thing, let me show you. I have to share my screen now. I hope my internet is okay. I'm not sure, but let me share. Okay. So I shared these tweet, and I said, and Donald has tweeted like the idea of BRIC countries are trying to move away from the dollar, while we stand by to watch is over. We require a commitment from these countries that they will neither create a new BRIC currency nor back any other currencies to replace the mighty US dollar. Or they will face a 100% tariff, and they should expect to say goodbye to the selling into the wonderful US economy. They can go find another suckers. There is no chance that the BRIC will replace this US dollar in the international trades. And any country that tries should wave goodbye to America. So Trump is one of the most powerful people when it comes to trading, because these guys really, he has like a fundamentals. It's like a force factor, the way we check our fundamentals. So one thing you have to know is go to Twitter, hit that follow button on Donald Trump, and hit that notification bell. So as anytime he tweets, you can get notified. So in simple terms, what he meant by this thing is, let me see if you guys can be able to understand what he means by BRIC countries. There are these particular countries, they were trying to form the BRIC, they were trying to form like to wave away, like to evade the US dollars at the mighty, as a primary currency reserve. The US dollar is used as the primary currency reserve in the Forex. When I mean Forex, is maybe buying, selling on anything. Even if you go to any online platform, you use USD as the mode of payments. So these countries, they were trying to wave away from the US dollar. So what happened is, now if they try to wave away from the US dollar, is forming their own currency, those they can use to pay, meaning the US dollar is going to weaken. So Trump is back and is like, for these countries, they have to give their stand that they will never form any BRIC country or wave away. Either way, if they form these BRIC country, these currencies, they will face a 100% tariff, and they should not expect to sell their goods or services to the US economy. So, meaning the only putting that kind of cautions, it means that they are trying to put the US dollar as a very strong, and there's no any country that can be able to evade this currency. So, with that statement, what does it mean? Do we expect a very strong dollar, or do we expect a weak dollar? So let me see on the comment sections. So with that comment, if the Trump makes that comment, what does it mean? What does that mean? Is it a weak USD or it's a strong USD? So Joshua Mutuma said XAUSD, very clear, it's a strong dollar. So meaning, yes, I see the comments. So it means a strong dollar. So meaning there's no any country that can try to avoid it, meaning the US dollar is remaining as the world primary currency. So they can't avoid it. So meaning there will be creation of a strong demand of the USD. And when there's a strong demand, meaning the USD will gain value. So what is going to happen to gold? We are going to experience sales on gold, experience sales on GBP USD, experience sales on Euro USD, and that's why waking up in this, I was very clear and know well because this was tweeted early. This was tweeted early. He tweeted over the weekend, and I clearly knew that waking up early in the morning, we are going to experience something like this. We are going to experience a nice drop on gold. We are going to experience that. So that's what I'm going to experience. So we are going to experience a strong sales on gold. So that is it. So let's go to the market analysis. And last week I was not able to go through the pairs, maybe on Friday, because that's when my TikTok was pulled down. So you can comment below any pair that you're looking for me to check. Then we can analyze them. Meaning today, also today is on a Monday. We do those long analyses, keep following each and every pair, because that's when we have the whole bias of the whole week, how the market will look. So gold has been selling since 5 a.m. Kenyan boy, that's the reason why gold has been selling. So this is the reason why gold has been selling. This comment, this is why gold has been selling that's why gold has been selling since 5 a.m. And this is the reason. Okay, and one thing that this is going to be an interesting year when Trump is signing. Actually, January is going to be a very interesting month for us because that's when Trump will be assuming to office, and meaning he's going to do a lot of changes in the US in the office, which will affect the US dollar. And another thing that in long term, the coming years is going to be because Trump makes one tweet on Twitter and the market move more than 150 pips. So it's going to be a very interesting moment for us, a very good, because us as traders, we like volatility. So we like the volatility. And this is what we like in traders. Regardless of the market dropping or going up, that's what we like, the volatility in the market. So it's going to be keep posting and keep tuned, stay active, follow up with those fundamentals, what I've really notified you to follow up on Trump, on Twitter, put those notifications, and make sure that you're following globally what is really happening because you keep posting there. Okay, so let's start on the first pair. So on EuroCAD, this has been our first pair that we do normally check each and every time. The past, though this pair we have not really traded it very much because every time it's consolidated, ranging. We have not been having any bars on Euro CHF. Let's go to EuroCAD. EuroCAD has been our pair, and now we were looking forward for this market to break this area and to give us a full confirmation of a bullish movement. Now, this movement, to give us a full confirmation of a change of character, because a change of character, because this market has been very bearish. So this analysis, a weekly analysis that you are doing. So this market has been very bearish when it's come to 4 hours. You can clearly check. Just to show you. So this market has been very bearish. You can see. So when we have a bearish movement, so as to experience a reversal of structures, unless we have a reversal structure showing us and indicating to us that the market is changing character. And a reversal structure is an example of an inverse head and shoulder. Currently, the market was forming an inverse head and shoulder, and we expected this market to break the neckline. This is the shoulders, and this is the neckline. And that's why you have this, break the neckline and retest, and then we can continue buying. Currently, the market was unable to break this neckline and it's bearish. So this market is still bearish. If this market is bearish, so the only way we can have another re-entry is once this market breaks these shoulders and then do a retest, and then we can have those kind of views. So those are the only views we have on EuroCAD. Either way, to break the shoulders or to break the neckline, because at the current levels we can see the market is trading because these are valid shoulders. Still we can experience something like this. These are valid shoulder, but for us to fully confirm the overall direction of this pair, unless one of these zones are broken. So to confirm, let me show you where is the path. So because these are valid, and that's why I'm saying don't sell here. So selling will be valid once the market hold below, retest, and then we continue selling. So this is how we are going to have a view on EuroCAD. So let's see on the daily time frame. Yes, and this is one of the pair we are going to trade this week. This we are going to look for, but I'm very bearish on it. The reason why I'm very bearish on it is because of break on retest, Yeah, so I just want to have only one confirmation on this pair, break of this area. Once we break this area, we continue to sell these pairs on Eurocard downside. So guys, make sure that you share this live, share with your friends, share on your WhatsApp, so guys can join this live stream. So this I'm very bearish on. Actually, let me remove this unless it come back. But I'm looking forward for a breakout and retest of this area so they can confirm for me that the market is continuing to drop. So I'm going to have such a scenario on this. So I hope you guys know how we normally check when it's come to breakout and retest, and a stop loss above that green candlestick, and then I'll target this here. I'll target it that week. So that's how my setup is going to look on Eurocard. So on Eurocard, let me repeat again. Eurocard will be more confirmation once it breaks here. Break this area and then retest. That's when you're going to confirm an entries on Eurocard. So let's go to GBP card. So this GBP card, let's continue GBP card daily time frame. Okay, last week closing a very strong bullish. Okay. So there is something we talk about correlation. So in correlation, when Eurocard is selling, GBP card has to sell. And if GBP card is bullish, we have to confirm the same structures we saw on GBP card and Eurocard. They have to align the same analysis. So on GBP card, this is the same analysis we had. We were looking forward for this market to break this trend line to confirm for us a bullish movement. So meaning on Eurocard, we are going to experience more of possibility of a long position. So meaning, so on Eurocard, let's remove this so as until we have a clear direction, because let me show you. This is the best way to approach this market. So whenever you're doing your analysis, make sure that you are doing double checking. But double checking is meaning checking the pairs that do correlate. Because the reason why I have changed my bars on Eurocard is because I've come to GBP card. GBP card is showing me a very bullish movement. It's not even respecting the trend line, and showing that once it breaks this area, it indicates that it's going to go long, indicating for more bullish on GBP card. If it's indicating more bullish on GBP card, then we are going to experience a buys on Eurocard. So this is the view then we can have on Eurocard. So we can come to previous day low. Okay. So on this area, on this Eurocard, I can look for this market, approach this market with this way. Have a long position and a stop loss below this trend candle there, and I will target the market to come back to T1 there, but I will still look forward for this market to come back again here. And also I have a re-entry. I'll be looking forward for a re-entry here. You are going to look forward for the entry, breakout, and retest. The way I've come up with this entry is because of this GBP card. GBP card is looking forward to break these structures for a bullish movement, and then Eurocard, meaning Eurocard, we are going to experience then a long position. So on Eurocard, I'm looking forward for more buys because we have a head, a shoulder, and another shoulders here. Let's go to US oil. Okay, on GBP card, let me confirm. Let me show you the analysis on GBP card. So on GBP card, you can look for structures like this, breakout and retest, and then we continue buying. So wake out for a breakout, very good breakout, retest, and then we continue buying on GBP card. Long position and a stop loss way lower here and target above here. Yeah. Let's go to US oil. On USR, I was looking forward for more sales because of inverse head and shoulder. So I can wait for this market to come back again here. Let's go to daily time frame. How's the closure of the previous day? Okay, previous day closing a very bearish one, indicating for a bearish movement. So I'll be looking forward for such a setup, the same setup we had, because I said this is a flag, and also we had an inverse head and shoulders. So I'll be looking forward for more sales positions on USR. And the reason I'm looking forward for more positions because of the inverse, no, not inverse, I had a shoulder, there are structures and a stop loss above there, and I'll target lower here. That's the setups on USR. Euro JPY. Euro JPY will do them once we are done. USD JPY. Let's go Euro USD. Okay, on Euro USD, I'm expecting more sales on Euro USD. Sales on Euro USD, I'm expecting a stronger dollar. Okay, so this is the way we normally talk about a green candle, a green candle binded by a red candle. So I'll be looking forward for more short position. More possibly, I would look like the market to retest and have a stop loss above this green candle. That's how we set our stop losses. This green candle, the market is not supposed to go above here. And look forward for more sales on Euro USD. And now I can look forward for this market to do a little bit of correction, and then we can continue selling Euro USD. Yeah, I'm very bearish on it. That's a setup on Euro USD. The most important thing is a stop loss, where to place your stop loss. Euro AUD, this was our A setup last week for hours. Has this market retested again? Why is this market not moving? So this area is our key area. Let's make sure. Let's mark this area. Let's go to daily time frame. Okay, so this is our last trial on this area, where we are going to be looking forward for more buys. So I'm looking for more buys. We'll be looking them on this particular area. So this is our last area to look for buys on Euro AUD, with a formation of an inverse head and shoulder. That's area. So this is the only last option we have. So make sure you have a very tight stop loss here, because you see the market didn't get to the neckline, because this is the neckline we had. The market didn't touch the neckline, just reverse at halfway. So that's the setup on Euro AUD. So make sure that the market by the closing time, it respects these order blocks we have here. NZD card, we are looking for we had the first buys here, and then we had the second ones. We are looking forward for buys for retest on these areas. The setup is still valid. Looking forward for more buys on NZD card. These ones are the way we have a good setup for today. So we are looking forward for a reversal because of the inverse head, shoulder and shoulder, and then a breakout and retest of this trend line. Looking forward for more buys on NZD card. Card JPY, we look the JPY's pairs way later. GPP AUD. GPP AUD, we're looking forward for buys here, because this was a flag being formed here. Buys are still valid. You remember why we were looking for? Let me show you. Okay, the market is active. So we had these buys here because of inverse head and shoulder. These buys here because of the flag, and also this is a flag. And I said the buys on the ranging part. So these buys are still valid if you didn't take them. So make sure you look for another setup. But this pair, we are looking forward for more buys on GPP AUD. Okay, so GPP card. I think I've done GPP. This is GBP CHF. No, GBP CHF, I don't have any view. Actually, I don't trade GBP CHF. Let's go to Euro GBP. This was last week. We are looking forward for this. And this market was ranging on these areas. Remember, this market was ranging between, finally, we have a view on it, because this market was ranging between these two parts. The head, shoulder, and shoulder, and the head, shoulder, and shoulder. We were looking forward for buys on this shoulder. The market has already confirmed for us for a bearish movement. Is there another block left behind? Yes. Okay, so on this area, I would only advise this to approach this market with a breakout and retest. So wait for this market to retest these areas. Guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, just let me know. Wait for this market to retest these areas, and then we continue selling this pair. Retest these areas on 4 hours. If you can hear me, just type yes. Breakout and retest of these areas, says we can continue selling. Okay. So we can continue selling on Euro GBP. Now it has confirmed the overall direction of this pair. AUD card. AUD card, we have been looking for this. Still remain for me as a valid area. No matter how long I'll wait for it, this is a valid area for me. NZD card. This is NZD CHF. I don't have any view on this pair. I don't have any view on NZD CHF. I remember the last time we traded this space when we had these sales here. I can try to oppose this market here, because I know this is a valid area for sales, but I can try to oppose it there. NZD USD, I'm very bearish on it. I'm looking forward for more sales on it. So I'm looking forward for sales on NZD USD, because the US dollar is very strong. So you should have a stop loss way above here. Short, I'll be looking forward for sales and a stop loss above here, and target this way. So that's the setup I have on NZDUSD. XAUUSD. So this is gold. So my view on gold is this. So on gold, we have these setups. So we had this channel, which is a bearish channel, which is a flag also. So the market looking like this is what we call a flag, a very impulsive movement on the downside, and then ranging, and then for me, dropping, breaking out. So for now, I want a retest of this breakout. Also, when it's going to break to retest, it's going to be forming a head and shoulder at this particular level, this area. So I'll be looking forward for sales here. On that means, do you have any other block there? On this green candlestick, yeah. So I'll be looking forward for this market to tap this area. Yeah, that way. So that's the view on gold. Let's remove these. So that's the view on gold. So I'll be looking forward for such a scenario. You can clearly see we have a trend line broken or retested. When this market, these buyers come back over here to test this trend line, it will also be forming a head, shoulder, and then we drop. So this is the setup I'll be looking for gold. And then we continue selling all the way here. So I'll be looking for a short position here, and a stop loss here, and target way here. And also to minimize our stop loss, we can narrow down. So it's because that's a very big stop loss for me. So yeah, the stop loss is supposed to be there. Even if we try to minimize it, it's be above this green candle. Yeah, stop loss is supposed to be there. Okay. So that's my view on gold. So we can have that view such setup on gold. That's on gold. You see, when I'm doing gold, so many people join the live stream. We are more than 33. But when I was doing other minor pairs, you guys are leaving the live stream. So let's continue. USD ZAR. I don't have any view on USD ZAR. GBPSD. I'm very bearish on GBPSD. On GBPSD, I'll be looking for such a scenario. And being bearish, is there an inverted? Because GU likes very forming inverted entry. The same case here. Let's do this line chart, and then I'll be looking for GU. So this one is an A setup for us on GU. For today's, wait for this market tap there, and then we can go in for short position. So watch out this GBPSD. I'll be looking for such a scenario. You can clearly see on the line chart forming an inverted entry there, and look for more sellers up there in a short position here. So if I'm going very fast, guys, kindly tell me to pause and then a stop loss above here. And a stop loss hapo. And then I'll be looking for a short position all the way down here. So that's the view on GBP USD. USD CHF. I remember last time we were looking for buys, and also still look. Oh yes, 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 yes. We are looking for buys here. This is a valid one. But Pamela, did you able to cut these entries on USD CHF? So USD CHF for me is very bullish. So we can look forward on lower entries. Our candle has already been binded, guys. Let me see on the comment section. So who knows what I'm talking about here? I do normally talk about this each and every time, this kind of trading strategy. So I do normally talk about this type of trading strategies whenever you have a resistance zone here, and then the market form a red candle biden by a green candle, in case the market's going to come back and continue buying. So if you guys do know this type of entries, I do normally have them when I'm doing analysis. Is there anybody? Let me see if anybody who's know about this type of analysis. I know Abdul know about it. Abdullah Saleh know about these entries. Okay, so I'll be looking forward for more buys. Even if I'm looking forward for more buys, long position, my stopper should be there. Then I'll be targeting still here on USD CHF. I'll be still targeting way above there. BTC, I don't have any view on BTC. This is on 1 hour. BTC is dropping. What's happening? Okay, so I don't have any views on BTC. Let's go to AUDSD. On AUDSD, I'm looking for more short position. Short position on AUDSD. We can have an entry as such. We can have an entries. Where can we have an entry? 4 hours. This on 4 hours. Let's remove drawings. Remove all drawings. So on AUDSD, I don't see any entry point, but I'm looking forward for more sales opportunities on this pair. Though I can't see any entry point because I don't see any order block or anywhere I can have a re-entries unless this market come back again to these zones. but this pair I'm looking for more sales on AUDSD. So GBP JPY, let's go to 4 hours, daily. No, the market has already approached these areas. Let's go to 4 hours. So there's this zone GBP JPY has approached. So I want to see more confirmation on it so they can confirm for going long on it, because this is not enough. This is not an enough indicator for me to go buys. This range in here. This is not an indication for me to go buys because of this zone. So I need to see a very good confirmation, either reversal structures for me. Let's remove these because they are invalid, either to a clear structure to indicate that the market is going long position, very indicator, and a very good indicator for me to confirm that the market is going is when the market form an inverse head and shoulder, such as structures, to confirm for me that the market wants to go long position. So we be very careful. So we are going to look out for such a scenarios on GBP JPY so as we can confirm for it. Okay, so let's go to AUDCHF. AUDCHF, we were looking forward for more sales last week. The market moves around. How many pips? Since because we have been selling this pair since Wednesday, it was ranging since here, just 30 pips. Okay, so on such a scenario, the market is unable to break these areas, indicating for more buys. Okay. This one can range and range and range. So the only scenario and possible scenario we are going to look at is wait for this 1 hour to close. Yeah, actually, the 1 hour is closing right now. So the 1 hour is already closed. This is on 30 minutes. Let's go on 15 minutes daily. Okay, let's go to 1 hour, 4 hours. Actually, even the buys, they're not valid for long because the buys are coming all the way to up these areas. So these buys are all valid all the way here. So mean there's no any possible of giving us a very good impulsive movement. USD card. USD card, we are looking forward for buys from this order block funds last week. Actually, who took this USD card? Let me see how many people took this USD card because of this valid order block. And okay, let me see on the comment section who knows how to check a valid. This was a valid one, guys. I do normally talk about being a valid order block. You can clearly see how a valid order block looks like. So let's remove drawings. And because this one is we have already done this. The market has already materialized. Let's remove these ones also. So you can clearly see this order block was of buy. So you are still looking forward for more buys on USD card for me because I'm still looking forward for more buys on USD card. And how we can have and buys on this pair. I'll be looking forward for this market to come back again to these areas. And then have good buys. Continue buying this pair. And continue buying this pair. Okay, Dogecoin, we don't have any view on Dogecoin. Dogecoin, you see the way Dogecoin is dropping the same way Bitcoin is dropping. They are dropping. You can clearly see the same way. Okay, so NAS 100. These are flag indicating for more buyers on 4 hours. Let's go on 4 hours. This is a very flag 4 hours. So let me give you another entries. Wait for this 4 hours to close, and then when it's closed with a very green candlestick, it will indicate this is another block here because we have this resistance. So one of the setups we have today, you can clearly see, one of the A setups we have is NAS 100. I see these are very good possible for us to continue buying, and then German 40. No, I don't have any view on German 40. So we have done all these analysis. So we are done. So let me now shift to which are the A setups we have. Which are the A setups? Because we have done all this analysis. And you normally know once we are done doing all these analysis, we focus on the A setup. So start commenting on me the A setups we have. Okay, so Steve is in GPPSD. Loud and clear. Okay, yeah. I hope you guys you can hear me. So let's focus on the A setups we have. Let me see. Let me turn the camera on. So which are the A setups we have? GU. Which are the A setups? I think there was more on GPPSD, NAS 100, NAS 100, GPPSD. Which other? Why are people saying GU? Why did I keep GU on my mind? NZD card. Guys, let me tell you, the only way to be benefit from this life is having a book and a pen. Whenever we are doing analysis, whenever I mention a certain pair, because you are helping me do analysis, note them down that this pair is the one you said is a very good pair we can check. So we can note them down. So someone saying I'll be checking them. So I'll have to share the screen and then we can check up pair by pair so we can conclude to our analysis today. So let's go to the analysis. So from the someone is saying USDCHF. Okay, so let me start with the first one. People are commenting on GBPSD is an A setup for us. GBPSD. Yes. So GBPSD is an A setup for us. GBPUSD is an A setup for us. Yes, I'm okay with GBPUSD. The next pair is NAS 100. Okay, so NAS 100 will be an A setup once the 4 hours close with a this candlestick. Once it goes like this, that very green candlestick indicate for mobile. So make sure that you have to be very patient for the 4 hours to close so as it can indicate for us for mobiles, and a stop loss just below that consolidation, and then you target that high. So that will be the setup. You can see the stop loss is very minimal, so meaning that's what you are risking on the NAS 100. So AS 100 US oil is not an NAS 100 is not a setup since it has not confirmed for us because we don't have a full confirmation. We are still waiting. So, but the setup looks like that. Yes. So it's still a good pair for us to watch out. GBP USD and NAS 100. Another pair, NZD card. Let me see NZD card. NZD card. No, no, this is NZDCHF. NZDSD. No, NZD card. NZD card. Who is NZD card? I think is here. Yeah. NZD card is an A setup for us. Actually, this one is active buys. These are active buys on NZD card. They are active. So this one I'm okay with it. Buys on NZD card. Which other pair? So NZD cards and A setup. Those are 3 pairs. We have those pending orders we normally check, and we have those pending orders we normally check. So we have NZD cards an active pair. GU said is okay. Gold. Yes, gold is another pair we are looking at an A setup for us. Gold is another on watch list. We are looking forward for gold here. This is gold. Yes, gold is valid for us. US oil and Euro USD. So let's check US oil. No, US oil is not valid for me as an A setup, and this is the reason why, because of too much ranging. So this is just analysis I've shared, but it's not an A setup because this market has been ranging too much. So it's not an A setup for me. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. Yes. I'm okay with Euro USD sales on Euro USD and pocket sales on Euro USD. That's the one how it has closed. Yes, I just wanted to retest and then you can continue selling Euro USD. I'm okay with the sales on Euro USD. Yes. Okay. Which other pair? Which other pair? So let me shout out to the first pairs we are going to look out is GU, and then GU, NAS 100, and NZD card. Yes, those are the A setup. Euro AUD, no. Euro AUD, okay. This one we traded it last week, very good. Euro AUD. Yes, also Euro AUD is our A setup, another A setup on Euro AUD. I'm looking for buys. But this one's Euro card and this just give them more time. Just give them more time because we don't have a clear direction on Euro card and GBP card. But GBP card is we are looking for more buys, breakout and retest. We have also GBP card. We are looking out for it as a good pair. Euro GBP, yeah, Euro GBP is still frustrating me. Euro GBP, let me show you. And the reason why is because we didn't have a clear view on it. Yes, unless it come back here, of which it will take way longer. So we are looking for pairs, A setup pairs, and already haraka sana to give us a very good setup. So Euro GBP will just take more time. USD CHF. USD CHF. I'm looking forward for more buys on USD CHF. Actually, you can come back again to have a re-entries here. What is the 15? Have a re-entry there. on USD yeah. This wait for this market to drop and come back again. On 15 minutes, you can see. So I'm looking for more buys on USD Yes. Euro GBP, no, 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 no. Okay. So those are the A setups. Let me stand on the one that I'm looking forward for it to be a very good setup for me. This one. This one. Now, this one of the best setups I have today. So, any comment, any question, any comment, any question. And note, guys, I have a new TikTok account. Guys, go and follow it. It's called Dr. Forex Backup. That's my new TikTok account. Note that I don't have any other extra account. I never send money to anybody out there because that's the only two accounts I have. The other people who are requesting money using pseudo account, that's not me. Yes. Any other question you have on the comment section, I'll be glad to answer it. And make sure that you hit that like button. Hit that like button. There's a like button there. That way, we normally leave the live with more than 20 likes button. Like, hit that like so as we can continue. Already followed you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, make sure you follow me on my new account. Okay, actually, I've remembered. Let's check on the fundamentals. This week fundamentals. This week is a new week, it's a new month, and we are going to experience new fundamentals. Today is on December date 2, and on Monday, do we have any fundamentals? Just afternoon 6 p.m. But now you can clearly see we don't have any fundamentals, but market may quite impulsive, and that's when now make sure that you're following like Donald Trump. Those are the people who are pushing this market. Let me show you where is it. You can see the market has already moved how many pips? Early morning, just an early morning. Just an early morning, the market has already moved more than 390 pips. With the losses of one, that's more than 3,000. So make sure that you follow those people. I'm highly recommending because you can clearly see on a Monday there's no fundamental, but there are those impulsive movement in the market. On Tuesday, we have CHF CPI 10 a.m. Tutakuwa live here. This one will be live tomorrow. At the same time, CHF CPI is happening. And then USD job listing opening. Those are not high impact. For impact, no. ATP, no. Fed pair at Ombia. This one might be impactful tomorrow on Wednesday. Oh no, on Wednesday, not tomorrow. USD unemployment claim. USD. This is also on Thursday we have an unemployment claim, and on Friday we have NFP. Okay, so this one NFP is going. Those are the only high impact news we are going to have. Someone is asking, GPP card tuna buy. Let me check for you. Also, Euro card. So these are the only fundamental we are looking forward to on Friday 6th, which is 4:30. We have NFP. So let me answer a few questions, and then yeah. So there's someone asking, GPP card tuna buy. Okay, so on GPP card, this is the view I've given on GPP card. I'm looking for this market to give us a very good clear. We are looking for buyers to break and retest, and then yeah. So I'm bullish on GPP card. So Eurocard, Eurocard, I've said this one is not highly recommended, but I would recommend because this one has already broken the area. But on Eurocard, we are looking for buys. On Eurocard, we are looking for buys here because of the formation of a head, inverse head and shoulder. So on Eurocard, I'm looking for buys. Head, shoulder, head, shoulder. That's why I'm looking forward for Eurocard, and GBP card I'm looking forward for buys. So that's the view. Any other already followed you? Okay. So guys, kindly follow me on my TikTok. Support, comment. Hata kama huwezi sema anything, wekanga to likes. So just comment pale on my TikTok with those buttons to make my algorithms to grow, because currently my videos are not getting more views because of algorithms are still trying to grow. So we are 18 likes. Make sure that you hit that like button. Just hit that like button here. You have this. I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, just hit that. We are at 18. So any other question? A setups are Abdul, I've done the A setups, guys. I've done the A setups. I've shown the A setups. These are the A setups. You have mentioned them. We have mentioned the A setups here. Are they? We have GU. What is GU? We have this A setup as such. GBPSD. We have just shown the A setups here, GBPSD, because of this inverse head and shoulder, which is we are looking for this market to come back again here. We have also, I remember USD card was another good one for me. Let me show you. USD card, we're looking for another A setup. That's the A setup looking also buys on USD card. A setup, we have gold here, looking for sales here on gold. which will be going to have, so these buys are valid all the way here. So we are going to have head, shoulder, shoulder. So these buys I'm looking for to kuja all the way at the upper, and then another A setup, Nasdaq. Or is Nasdaq? We are looking for a setup this market to look close with 4 hours to close with this kind of stick to give us confirmation for the entries. So that's Nasdaq. So we have to wait for it. Your classes. Okay, guys, I do normally forget. I'm always live on YouTube and I normally forget to let you know, guys. Okay, so let me announce this. We do normally have a physical training. Wanye Moya is Wayne Moya. So we normally have our physical classes. They are located along Vika Road near TRM. So if you know TRM Mall, that's where our classes are. We have a physical. You can come and learn physical. It's only that I can show you because I'll try to move my laptop and show there are ongoing classes there. So whenever I'm doing live with you, there are people learning first. They are learning from the basics. So if you are starting to learn strategies, you need mentorship, you're learning from the basic O level, you don't understand how Forex works and how this, you can come up to your offices and get informed and get the skills on the information on how to trade the Forex market. Yeah, that is it. So we are located along Thika Road near TRM, the Lumumba Drive. There's TRM Drive and then Lumumba Drive. That's where our office is located. And then we are located at Royal Plaza. You can come even for inquiry. Feel free to visit our office anytime. So Brian Omoni, card JPY sales. No, on JPYs I haven't checked with them. Actually, the past few days I've not been checking JPYs there. Let me show you. Card JPY. I haven't checked the JPYs pairs because I've been on the only pair I've checked is GBP JPY and it didn't give us any buyers on it. Card JPY seems I don't have it here. Card JPY. Why don't I have it on my watch list? I have nothing. I don't have any grudge with card JPY. Card JPY. Seems I have it. So I'm not seeing it. Card JPY. Okay. So on card JPY, we have not given any buyers on it because of these zones on GJ. I don't have any buyers on card JPY. The same case on GBP JPY. Here's GBP JPY. The same case on GBP JPY. We don't have any buyers because I'm looking forward for this market to show me a very good reversal structures here because we have already touched a very major zone on GBP JPY. Yeah. Best profile you can use. Best profile I do normally talk about uh, equity. That's one I've seen someone be getting paid, and also we are looking for. We are now doing what is called following up on Fund and Next to see if they pay. So if once we get paid to buy Fund and Next because we have an account with Fund and Next now we are working on what process payment here to, I'll be able to tell you that to buy Fund and Next. But for now, until they process our payment, now I can give you a go ahead so as you can buy. One day I'll come to trade with you guys. Yes, you can come to our office anytime. Wine Moya, your number, please. My number is. Let me read my number here. Actually, let me read this number. So our office number is +254 1100 68244. So I write it on the comment section so you guys can be able to see it. And also, I'm answering questions. And you have any pair you are looking for me to check for you, I'll be glad to answer it. So I think our number is. So that's our office number. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? So it seems there's no any other question. You can reach out me on my Telegram if you have any question, on my WhatsApp, any question. Yeah, and I wish you a very good day and a profitable week. I'll be back live tomorrow, the same time, same session. I'll be able to do the live analysis with you. So, guys, thank you so much and bye bye.